Need a safety net for life's surprises? Your TFSA has your back. With a TFSA in Canada, you can withdraw money anytime and pay no tax on those withdrawals. That means when you really need cash for rent, medical bills, or sudden expenses, you've got access. But there are a few things to understand. The money you take out gets added back to your TFSA contribution room the following year. So, if you need cash fast, make sure your TFSA holds something liquid like savings or cash investments, since some options like GICs may lock your money in. And remember, TFSA withdrawals don't count as taxable income, so they won't reduce government benefits. If you've just arrived in Canada, a TFSA can provide that peace of mind, knowing that you have an emergency cushion without tax penalties or long waits. It's like financial breathing room. Want more smart money moves for newcomers? Hit that subscribe button and join us. One step at a time. You're building your financial safety net. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Talk to a financial or tax professional before making decisions about your TFSA or emergency fund.